Do you like Taro Root, Arbi or Ghuiyaan in Hindi? You can get that in any Indian local store near you. I'm going to tell you a very nice and simple recipe out of it. Just follow the easy steps and you will love it. Like, follow and subscribe to my channel for lovely and delicious recipes. Let's do it. Key for this recipe is to cut like fries and fry it like that from all sides until it's cooked well. Take more oil because that helps in cooking faster and better. Hope you like the recipe. Do follow us for more good and tasty recipes.